welcome back to another one. Man, I got some really good stuff. I got some great stuff today, guys. Wanted to give you guys a really good deal on a keyboard, and as we know, we're all about getting them deals. Before we begin, make sure you guys do check the description below. I always leave links to the products, and then if you're ever interested in getting the one that I have, shoot me an email, rohasentertainment@gmail.com. Also, there's a big Flash VPN sale going on, so make sure you guys do check out the description. Now, what am I talking about? This is the, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Rottay? Rottay? No, I don't think it's rot, but actually very interested in the keyboard. It's supposed to be an RGB keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard for gamers and typists, so should be for both sides of the aspects when it comes to. So very excited about this thing. Wanted to check it out and show you guys something. So here we go. Here's the keyboard. Now you do get a couple things here at the bottom. You do get like a little thank you note, and then you do get a couple, like a quick start thing here, and it tells you like how the RGB works. So how to turn off the lights. It says here FN plus INS, this backlight mode, turn off lights, you can make it breathe, record key, so hotkeys and stuff are really important, game mode. It looks like you have 5 game modes, which is cool. Color cycles, make sure you get that. Now, if you do need to change the keys out, this little guy is like super important. Just clip it in there, and then you are good to go. Now, here is the keyboard. I gotta say, just pulling it out, this thing has a little bit of weight in it. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. And this looks very nice. Now, check this out. For one, I'll show you guys the back. See, it has like some kind of like a reflection. It's like a hard plastic, but it almost feels metal, just the way it's put together. You do have your little kickstands here on both sides, which feel really good. And yeah, it's a really nice looking keyboard. So I'm probably, like, I have this other keyboard that I use here at the bottom. As you can see here, the lights just go back and forth. I really do like this one, and probably with the reflection, it's probably going to be pretty bright. So let's go ahead and come over here and power this guy on. So let's come to the bottom camera. And I gotta say, this thing so far looks pretty nice. Okay, so check this one out. This looks actually really nice there. And I have to say, like, the lights, I know it's like kind of like a light glowish, rainbowish colors, but everything here looks really good. Yeah, it just feels really smooth. I don't feel like some keyboards with mechanical keyboards, they have like a click sound. So this one is not really like that. So, but it feels really smooth. It's actually nice. So, okay, now I do have my paper here, and this will tell me exactly how to change these colors. So FN plus INS. So if I'm going to do FN INS, there you go. So if I click on it, I don't know if you guys can see that. That looks pretty cool. I like that feature. If I do FN plus INS again, it does all kinds of cool stuff. FN plus INS, there you go. And then it goes back to this. So pretty neat. Actually, it keeps cycling. That was a different mode. Now this one's kind of cool. When you click on it, the colors change. It kind of dips and changes. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, look at this. Super cool, super nice. A lot of things that you can do here. And it's just, again, it just filters over and over. Now, if you do hit the plus, up, down, or bottom, you could filter through all the different colors. You can make it dimmer, make it brighter. That's kind of cool how it does that. Slow it down. So a lot of cool stuff. Now, there was another one. I think it was FN and delete. Now, these are just the different colors. So, again, pretty neat how you can do stuff like this. And yeah, there you go. So lots of different things that you could do. Again, like I always say, like, just make sure you guys do read this book. So FN plus INS will do the backlight mode switch. FN plus the PRT will turn everything off, and then FN plus SCR, Windows lamp color switch, 7 colors, and it will breathe. Windows plus delete. And again, you could do so much stuff here with this keyboard, which is amazing. So yeah, great keyboard right here. Let me know what you guys think. It's been, I really do like this keyboard a lot, and it feels really smooth. With my keyboard, when I click on it, there is a, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It does make a click sound. That's a lot of mechanical keyboards have that. This one, it's a little bit smoother. You definitely don't hear that click sound, but everything on this thing works really good. Again, like just looking at some of the details on just how some of this stuff connects in there is just, it's some great stuff, great quality. I will leave in the description below. This keyboard is not expensive at all. It's actually a really good deal, and I always try to give you guys coupon codes, so make sure you guys do check this out. Yeah, great looking deal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which type of keyboards do you like? Which type of gaming keyboards or working keyboards? There's so many options. I feel like a mechanical keyboard is really good for people who are at work and for people who like to game. It's a good for both worlds. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. As always, take care of each other, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.